for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.